Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be opening a 2019 Panini Contenders draft picks with containing 42 cards and a chance to find 42 autographs. So I've got 6 packs here containing 6 cards each, so we're going to go ahead and open them. And the first card is from the Rams. Season ticket, Michelle Gallup. The second is David Johnson from the UNI Panthers. Next one's Red Grange, season ticket. Next one is auto Lucas Dennis from the Eagles. Go ahead and sleeve that. Back here. Next one's a Josh Allen from the Cowboys. And an Austin Eckler for the running back. So now we're opening the next pack. And the first one's an Alvin Kamara, college. Next one is a Le'Veon Bell from the Spartans. Carson Wentz from the Bison. A Bo Jackson, Cam Newton legacy, Canadian Contenders. Tim Tebow from the Gators. And a Josh Adams Fighting Irish. Now the next pack. We got an Odell Beckham Jr. from the Tigers. Drew Brees from the Boilermakers. A N'Keal Harry wide receiver game day ticket. A Nick Mullins Golden Eagle. Deshaun Watson from the Tigers. And a Joe Namath Crimson Tide. Now we're going to open the next pack. So we got a J.J. Watt from the Badgers. An A.J. Green from the Bulldogs. Looks like this is the second auto. DeMarcus Christmas. Yep. Sleeve this. Next one's G.J. Moore from the Trains. Sony Michel from the Bulldogs. John Elway from the Cardinals. Now we're going to open the next pack. Kyron Johnson from the Tigers. Brandon Cooks from the Beavers. Michael Trubisky from the Tar Heels. Orion Finley, game day ticket. Amari Cooper, Crimson Tide. And a Marcus Allen from the Trojans. Now we'll open the next pack. Got a Brett Favre from the Golden Eagles. A Nick Chubb from the Bulldogs. A Darius Juice from the Tigers. Old Miss Connections, A.J. Brown and Jordan Tambra. Andrew Luck from the Cardinals. Marcus Mariota from the Ducks. Next pack. This is the last pack. So we got a Sam Darnold from the Trojans. Joe Mixon from the Soners. Draft class of 2019, Justice Hill. Christian McCaffrey from the Cardinals. Peyton Manning from the Volunteers. And Emmitt Smith from the Gators. And that's all for today. Here's our 2 autos that we got today if you guys didn't see them. We got the Lucas Dennis and the DeMarcus Christmas. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video.